ICAP was pretty cool. Lower airport. Continental Airlines 777 landing in Hong Kong International Airport. This is from seat 16L. I don't know if you can see the runway lights out there, but I can't. The camera won't pick it up.
Welcome to Hong Kong. The local time is approximately 7:47 p.m. We will be taxiing for the next few minutes, so please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until we arrive at the gate and the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. At that time, please check around your seats, overhead bins, and seat pockets for all personal items you brought on board with you. Please use care when opening the overhead bins as contents may have shifted during landing. Once inside the terminal building, there will be a Continental representative to answer any questions you might have regarding baggage claim or connecting flights. On behalf of Continental Airlines, all Star Alliance partners, and the Newark International Flight Crew, we'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with us today. You may use your mobile phone at this time.
各位司機先生，我嘅10點前喺美國大陸航空公司嘅機組分離安全咪幫我到香港國際機場。飛機將繼續橫行15分鐘，為咗你嘅安全，請你繼續坐喺座位上喎。戴好安全帶，直至機長熄滅扣除安全帶嘅指示燈，飛機完全停泊喺登機口。到時請記得檢查座位四周圍衣櫃口袋同頭頂上嘅行李箱，唔好忘記帶上機嘅行李同物品。當你打開頭頂上嘅行李箱時，請小心裏邊嘅物品喺邊下當中可能移動到位置。對轉機嘅乘客，請同我哋決定行李員聯絡有關轉機同入口處嘅資訊。再次多謝你乘搭本次班機。希望喺不久嘅將來再次有機會你服務，再會。
Here we are, Continental Airlines in Hong Kong, 777-200ER.